Today, I'll be reviewing Weebly, one of the most popular website builders on the market today. Weebly offers a simple drag-and-drop interface that allows you to create a website without any coding knowledge. Whether you're building an online store, portfolio, or personal blog, Weebly provides a range of features to get you started. When you first sign up, you're greeted by an easy-to-navigate dashboard. The platform offers a variety of customizable templates, which are categorized based on the type of website you want to create. These templates are well-designed and responsive, meaning your website will look good on both desktops and mobile devices. If you prefer to start from scratch, Weebly's drag-and-drop builder gives you full control over the layout, with pre-designed elements that you can simply place where you want them. One of Weebly's standout features is its e-commerce capabilities. If you plan to run an online store, Weebly makes it easy to set up product pages, integrate payment gateways, and manage inventory. Additionally, Weebly offers various tools to promote your products, including email marketing, coupon codes, and discount options. While not as advanced as other platforms like Shopify, Weebly is perfect for small businesses or personal projects looking to sell online. Another aspect of Weebly that I appreciate is the ease of use. The platform has an intuitive user interface that makes it accessible to beginners. Even if you've never built a website before, you can still create a professional-looking site with minimal effort. The platform also provides an extensive help center with video tutorials, and customer support is available if you need assistance. In terms of pricing, Weebly offers both free and paid plans. The free plan comes with Weebly branding and limits on storage, but it's a good option for personal projects or testing out the platform. For more advanced features, like custom domains, additional storage, and e-commerce tools, you can opt for one of Weebly's paid plans. While Weebly is generally affordable, it's important to compare it with other website builders to ensure you're getting the best value for your needs. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. In conclusion, Weebly is a solid website builder that balances ease of use with powerful features, especially for small businesses or anyone looking to sell online. It might not have the same level of customization or advanced tools as some other builders, but for those who want simplicity and affordability, it's an excellent choice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and happy building!